I want to emphasize that these sessions are for you. You're going to see a lot of really good content that's going to allow you to optimize your workflow, your business unit, your job specifications of what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. So there's going to be a lot of really good information that Garrett and team is going to show you today.
Part of Digital Industries and Siemens Software. As we move through the top, you'll see smart infrastructure, like I said, building technologies, smart infrastructure, mobility. This is the technologies to drive things like the high-speed rail system over in Europe. We don't use it a lot, maybe here in the US, but of course, on the other side of the pond, do a lot of that. So while they're building out and revamping and retooling a lot of that mobility transportation, our technologies drive that. And what's pretty cool about this is I actually found when I started with Siemens that one of my vehicles in my garage had a automotive computer unit that was Siemens developed. So to boil it down to something that might be sitting in your garage, this is the kind of technologies, both from an IT and an OT standpoint, that exist at a global scale as well. How do we do all of this? I mean, yes, we have our technologies, which we're going to dive into here, but we also do it through the power of partnership. And the power of partnership, you'll see some examples. Let's start always at the bottom. I always like these two because everybody knows this name, right? SAP and Oracle. So these are ERP systems, enterprise resource planning systems. These are your business systems. And one of the reasons we have a global partnership with organizations that are ERP is because our technologies need to continue to connect into an ERP system. Siemens doesn't sell an ERP. I don't know, maybe above my pay grade, but I don't foresee us ever selling in an ERP system. Therefore, we need to make sure that our ecosystem plays nice, and in return, the ERP systems, ecosystems play nice, and that everything can be connected, therefore serving the customer in the best way. We can also host within AWS, if that's a hosting platform that somebody uses, Microsoft. And one example I always like to give, and I see some folks on here that already use our PLM and manufacturing planning suite, Teamcenter, is that it can be integrated directly into Microsoft's Teams. This can alleviate, say, a design change of 18 emails flying around, where a design change might need to happen as part of a team, and it can be integrated into Microsoft Teams.